This is the downloading of the new Xbox update, which is coming August 11th. But for me, 2hitcombo.com proprietor Tyler Glam, we get it today. Kick-ass Samsung DLP, ka-chow. This is the unboxing of the new Xbox dashboard system. There's like ratings, games on demand, avatar marketplace. Ooh, updates. Ooh. Give you one of these, take a look. Got a little follow action, got a little Master Chief, a little indestructible kid camera, very destructible PSP, bunch of DS's, crayons. We got it all around here. And everyone's getting sick from like watching. They're like, oh my god, one camera. Approximately 1 minute remaining. That's how we do around here at 2K Combo. We wait while the updates load. It wouldn't be right if you didn't. It's disrespectful. That thing is going like gangbusters. Remove channel, that's pretty good. Sign in as a big T. What? Here I am. Here we go. Kind of a rating system in the game marketplace. We can maybe take a look at it really quick. It seems a little bit snappier than it usually does. Cool, as we can rate it. Let's give. How do I give it? I don't really like Crash Freshers that much, so I'm going to give it a 3. And I'm controlling with my nose right now, so that's how we do it. But that's cool to rate. So we did the first new thing, games on demand, as you can see. It's just basically the former Xbox originals. Rivals, no. Don't seem to be able to rate those. Wonder if it doesn't look like, wonder if you can rate things you haven't purchased. What else do I have I can rate? Peggle action. Oh, I pushed the B button with my nose instead of the red button. Jeez. Yeah, well, it looks like if you bought it, you can rate it. So, Peggle rules. So, 5 stars. Oh, Peggle. Nice. So, that's it. It's the early unboxing of the new Xbox dashboard menu. I don't have Netflix. I don't have a lot of stuff that it can do, but there we go. 2hitcombo.com out.